Everyone, so I just wanted to jump on and talk about the Tamagotchi once it dies and charging it again. So this one is completely dead. This one I just accidentally killed one day. It was really needy and I left it for a couple hours. This one I can't get it to turn on. I put it on the charger and I've pressed all the buttons. I did see a recommendation to hold the B button for 5 seconds, so I'm going to try that and see if this boots up. So I wanted to do this just on screen to see if it works. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that was it. So what happened is my Tamagotchi completely died and it just, I guess, had to turn back on. And I did that by holding the B button. So that's good to know. If you run into this issue, now you know what to do.